make you enjoy saga, because make you enjoy kokosa. You know people like kokosa. People like where you say you dey crazy, the man. 1,000 viewers. But Stainless now have almost 2,000 viewers because it's insulting about. Oh, the other one get to 500 because it's insulting someone. Is it not what we want? Give it to them. Belle, you understand me? So, this is my name. Say my name, say my name. My good reputation. That is my name. You know, it's hard for you to get a good name for your job, for where you are working. And they give me 100% over percent. It's a goal. I wake up in time. I don't waste time for you to call me twice before I do my job. I respect patients. I respect my colleagues. I'm proud of my job. That's why you see that they go okay, because I'm proud of my job. Have you ever proud of what you are doing? You can't proud. Like me. Even though you say I'm a cleaner, I don't mind. But I'm proud of my job. Now, I will deal with a while. A while war. You are calling me war, war, war. Tell me war. I ask you a question, you don't answer me. War. Tell me. See your breast. Is it happen? Yes, I press your breast. Let me customer. They are customer. No, you don't listen now. We don't pass there now. We don't, that topic don't pass. Good. Hello, Monk. Yes, so are you happy? This 7 o'clock. My clock is ringing. You say alarm for home and phone. Oh, well, God see big. You understand? So everything you do in life, make sure you put your passion, put love. Don't be angry. Make sure you laugh, you know. Smile. You understand? Let that bring your real character. My real character is this one you are seeing. My real character. Me, I like where you they laugh. Anywhere where you know they laugh, you be I must make you laugh. For working place, some people they know you not fit tell person that name. I go cause and say, bitch. He go just start to the laugh. He go say, fuck. You know, we can't say that one at bed. I'll just talk for your ear. You go laugh. You know. So I just want to appreciate this video, to appreciate my manager, my colleagues, and my supervisor. You know, it's not easy for people, among of 100 people, they will not select 2 of you that you are the best worker of the year. It's not easy, my darling. Is it easy? You know, no. If now only black, if now only Nigeria did there, they will find something like the one they do for me for every church, those people. They will find something to. Thank God, I'm a mix of Yoruba and Ghana. Mix of Yoruba and Ghana nowadays. And not the mix of Esa, Bini, Ora. No, maybe they are good though. But I'm a mix of Yoruba and Ghana. You understand? But for my section. But the rest are mix of where worldwide, you know. Everybody is there. If I see Oyibo, I will make sure. If I see black, make sure, you know. I follow the rules for the industry. Okay? So, today, I appreciate all my manager. Thank you so much. I cannot mention names. I thank you all. You ever see me? If I reach my manager will say, if I do like a momo, you know a momo. Oh, they're tired for me. You know why? If I reach, I never go with my bag. I don't go office. Do you have mineral for me? You have coke for me? They will ask me, are you not coming from home? I say, okay, if I'm coming from home, what do you want me to do? You're supposed to know I'm a worker. You prepare for me. You will start to laugh. And so life rich. Do you understand? Now, so this life rich. I really, am I not coming from home? But if I still reach work, I would ask. Even though they're not going to say, okay, take it, we have chocolate. Yeah. You don't ever work where you say, your man, even though they share something, you're not there around. Your manager must to drag your own commot. My own managers, they say, what of Mama B? They must remove my, if I see, they'll say, take this, it's for you. And I appreciate all my colleagues and my co-workers because they allowed them to give me this honor. I appreciate it so much, this paper. One at the CISO. I so much appreciate it, this one. I appreciate it. This is a lot for me, this paper. You look at me and say now, it's a lot for me. Lanso a lot. After we shall finish, I'll go and get this. Okay. It's a lot for me. Thank you. Thank you. With joy back and yeah. You understand? So that is it. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. You can see what I write there. Save. Work and save. You know, some people, it will quick me to teach you some things, you know. Some people, they will work, but they don't know how to save. When you don't know how to save, that is a big problem. Big problem when you don't know how to save. That's why you see some people today, because they don't know how to save, they stay this abroad for 20 years, they don't have a house, no savings, no management, no contracts, no, you know. Some people will say, Mama, you see they go learn how to, what did it talk? Mathematics, yes. More I do that one, more I know how to bring idea to you guys. Without mathematics, I cannot bring anything on the table. Means it's foul. Like one subject they give me today, oh my God. Even till now, I'm still dreaming the same because I know Sabian. That one hard. Hey! They do arrange 3 times. All of us confused for the class. That's called confusion.com. If I go work now, I will carry and follow body. On my break time, I have to make sure I walk. So that next week, if they just bring me out, I'd like to be first. Like the rest what they do today. Now me the first finish. Yeah, I'm finished. But this one, I know if I just do like this. Me that place, or your skill. Or your skill. So my brothers and sisters, learn how to work and save. When you, before your salary come, make sure you take pen and paper. Yeah, you jot down. This one go this way. This one go for light B. This one go for gas B. This one go for house rent. This one go for savings. Make sure you out of the stream. You must to make sure you squeeze yourself to save for yourself, because you can't just tell me say you come abroad, wait till you come work now for rent. What till you they do? You know go Nigeria. If you know say you cannot squeeze and save for yourself, when you receive 1 month salary, just go Nigeria. That 1 month salary maybe go reach, if you change that to Nigeria, it go reach $500,000. You go reach you take do better thing. Depends how much you receive. Me don't know. You understand? Your waka, they can go open something for Nigeria. Instead of say you dey abroad for 5 years or for a year, you can't save for yourself. If you go Nigeria, you go gog, you call a beg. Eh? No. You must see something to breathe. Even though you spend 10 years, somebody like me, if I like, now I spend 1 year for us, I will never call you to give me money. I will not call you. You know why? Because I know what I'm doing. I'm not calling you complete. I'm not calling you complete. Compre? No. People wait in Nigeria, if they can survive life, you wait there. Now you will come the beg. Are you a beggar? Eh? Are you a beggar? So please, my dear, learn how to save. And secondly, don't let anybody to deceive you not to build a house. Don't let anybody to not build a house. No, don't do that. Don't let anybody to bend your brain. Because even though if you're not safe, how can you build a house anyway? If you're not safe, how can you buy a house? Even though they confuse your base, they don't build a house, buy. If you're not safe, how will you buy? To buy a house here, you must to have like 20,000, 25,000 in your account before government can borrow you money. If you don't have 20,000, 25,000, yeah, will you borrow money to buy a house of your own? That's why you see in this country, husband and wife, they will open the same account. The wife will bring with the wife will save, so that maybe one person will take over of a house rent, light bill, and all that. The remaining one when husband they receive, they will save them to make sure they buy house. Now house where the sweet they do that one. No, you see some people for when from America they will do house with their husband will go put girlfriend inside. Depends how you and your husband they rapport. Now you and your husband will say, okay, more they do things together. If you know say you and your husband know they do well, your husband not only you know, do your own separate, let the man do our own separate. You understand? Because after all, if you build a house, your husband build a house, now the same pikin na they build and wait. Yes. Or you both they get 10 houses, get 6 houses. Yeah? You understand? You know why? Because the wife will get building, the husband will get building. Who get them? Now our children. Now make Oyibo better pass us today when we did so. Oyibo know how to do things. You understand? Oyibo know how to. You know, it's only Nigeria people I see that they would condemn people not to build house go Nigeria. Go and look Ghana. Can you, oh God, Google, if you go Google, you're not going to see Nigeria asshole. Google Nigeria best house builder. Wait, Google them. Go to YouTube. You'll see Ghana women. The way they, if I did that website for YouTube, my hair will won't blow. Now women be this. Now my husband and wife come see what they do for Ghana. Come see their house. Be like paradise. Thank God, not only Ghana. If you still go Nigeria, you see, you get one house when I show. Is it not Nigeria person? It's a Nigeria girl. Now if somebody would, they don't see another man property, another government things. All my ladies who build house, where be say jacuzzi, and they are proud of them. Because we suffer with me. If you like, make your pal of 5 for a year. Home call waragma. Una come here don't level body. Somebody want to do. You dey feel me? They come abroad, can't die here. You forget where you come from. I be like what killed. Mira. You understand? See. This girl.
You know, I told you guys the other time that I was going to do a comprehensive video tour by the time the interior decor and the kitchen people are done with their work. So the house.
Not be person get this on Nigeria. Lagos.
Take you around my
yeah.
house.
If you be like this, you dey forbid. If you be like this, you are a paradise now. You dey paradise. If you build this kind of house, me dey heaven. You see,
my green area is just a place to just sit down and relax. Put some outdoor furniture inside.
Now you get them. And this girl now, may I tell you, you can't discover an abinique. Trust me. Because me know a lot. When they Lagos, all those fashion designers, if you go YouTube, you see fashion design, blah, blah. End of the day, when their mama will come, me go they look the same. End of the day, because it's an abinique. You know understand? Now who my guy this one?
So this is my family. And the interior decor guys worked within a very short period of time and they were able to deliver.
We they forbid.
It's not so much. It's okay.
See me, I tell you, if you go inside, you see, you can go my wall and watch it, okay? You can go my wall and watch it. This girl now, tell me. Some people say, like, I hear one woman, they say they build a house, they can't sleep their house. How can you build a house that you can't sleep? Some people, when you know they sleep their house, you know why. Please, people. You see, especially with the social media. If we don't use our mouth, you go to sleep, you know, sleep well. Though. You they look, they won't come catch me. Then they come. Let me go hotel. Now if favor me pass. Since I there abroad, can't go. I never want to stay hotel. Unless if I reach Lagos, because I have to go straight to my. I'm proud of Edo State. Yes, of course. Are they proud of my state, yo? Whether good or bad, my Edo is my Edo. I don't go can't change my identity to be another person. No. If I sleep for Lagos, you know, say I won't go lay this thing, go buy things. Because sometimes I like to go there buy some food stuff and all that carry follow body. Or I reach Lagos in midnight. I go sleep for hotel. The next morning, I can't wait to see Benin. I can't wait to see Edo. Edo, where you dey? Edo, where you dey? Edo, where you dey? You understand? If you build this kind of house, when I show you now, you won't tell me say you no go sleep. You won't tell me say I'm not go sleep. I'm robber go come. Thief go. I will me say when you dey here, behave well. Behave well. Let your character good. You see Destiny background now. If they do burial, everybody pack for Noah. Not be Nigeria dey. When you build a nice house, who be the person who go say me no sleeper? Nice house. Nowadays, you know, before they go build house, you will use a fence, seal around. That's the city where they see that if thief won't come, not even danger pass. You don't know they come, you don't know they go. If you shout, nobody go answer you. Now they build house where you put fence, the fence go come high. No, you let your fence low. Take burglary. Take random. So you go to see who they go, who they come. Even though they're backyard, you know who they come, they go. They know the fence go come high like the block where you take build another house. You take and do fence, go reach upstairs. When you know say now, if they get what they go put for your wall, they go make block will come out from there and sneak enter your house. You see the house where I show you just now. Say the thing go reach America. You just do an average. Use flour, finish everything. You understand? If you build a house, build that to your own taste. They're not born mocking where say, I come from abroad, I cannot sleep in my house, now I'll tell you they stay. No. The Onosage, you don't ever see where the Onosage sleep for hotel. Not be asked they stay. Una go do bad finish. Oh, I do amunya. I can't sleep. Build your house. Do the house to your taste so that you can sleep your house. Even poor people, I'm robber still they rob them. Not only rich man. If I'm robber want to attack you, as they drive come for your house, oh you mudiakewe. Even for hotel, then we are ladion mudiakewe bunuru. All those one where they say, I can't sleep my house. They do bad. You know bad what they don't do for their life. Number one, they do bad. Number two, they not build the house to their own taste. My maid, they build house. I won't build. Eh? You build that way where you go like him. In case if you dey inside, you'll feel like, oh, I'm in paradise. Has not be waiting at the rush. Do it gradually. So that you can do it to your taste. Not be to build as rich up, not be problem. You see inside, the maintenance of inside. The inside maintenance, na problem dey. Those one, if you from here maintenance reach 2 years, you know they finish you. Small. Unless if you won't give am to tenants, you just do a sagma makwe. Oh yeah, leave am there. But when you know say you two you won't live for the house. Where you won't live now, you're supposed to fold down like rapana. You fold down. The way where if you dey your parlor, wawari okpa wa fi lami. Osunde orene. Mabagaye. Otizie gbe wekin. Uga gie. Beni zie gbe ya gie. Understand? Thank you, sweetie. Uga, if you build house, beno ya jewe. As you like and beno were like all. Wa se ni uki. Wa kacho omodion. Omodion on egwan. Won e amodion so on egwan ya. Eso zo no zuwo. E no egwan no ro. Wa e go pa yan wo pa. Wa reva. Ye do tu ewe. O we ni ana. O e ko asipe wan ni we. Eba eya wagon kongo ni ogo me ya kwefo we no bo me se wa bere eba eya ruwe ba ube ge ebe no we se o wa no rigwe o e ko be kon we no se. You understand? Amai umai wa we sala ben do and the one when you are when you know say if you go from here travel to Nigeria you can sleep inside. And not be saying you go Nigeria when we go if you una can the raise una shoulder. Some people will go out so they say, oh, thank you. You are watching from Jamie. Thank you, sweetie. Thank you. Thank you for watching me. Thank you. You understand? Some people they now when be say if they reach us, they would be like say they know the shit. As they reach us, with their handbag. Yeah, I wrote this song. I wrote Bonnie Song about one. Yeah, we're coming in. When say motor now, Baba, and no one tell you by you. I eat what? I was that sign motor. It's a motor maui. Oh, I was really. And I was oh no, yeah. Oh no, yeah, the one here. Oh yeah, baby. No, the auntie, we should be the oh no, yeah, baby. I always say me I die now, you man. That's it a lot. Gay. How about gay? When my friend be abroad, no mama, no wash it. How am I gonna be baby? Well, yeah. I say, oh, man, not dear what it will. If you had been on my work, he said, wait, mama, like yes, mama, brother, like yes, for where? Yeah, baby. The liquid bonya share when they reach Nigeria, they can't even greet like yes. Yeah, it's him, Lamabu. I will tell sleep your ass now. How many boys in you are neglecting ya? Because we will not punish him. Who will not louis? I was Sunday. Here to where he got to where I was Sunday. Me I if you are busy, but not going to Bolua. Is there but not one me baby and else come here and go to it? I was Sunday. I won't all allow it. You're not pokoye kia. Here, what to where? Here, you have no more care, you know whom. We are the like your hey, Peter Stars. I see you, sweetie. I see you. Oh, your car. See your car. Yes, so. Yes, so sweetie. What I go do now? Eh? Now they beat me, say they go, even though the car they outside, I can't drive it to work because congestion day, from my place to work, congestion day before I go come wait 10 o'clock, make congestion finish. I don't late for work with 10 minutes. Which I mean, I they reach work 1 hour before. That's why I get this one. Or everything I do, this is the results. I they reach work before any other thing. 1 hour before I don't reach work. Maybe some will they run, they come. No. I know they run. You will come with me for the I don't dress already. I don't ready for the work. You understand? Eh? They not go sabi greet. Area boys food there when you know before. Friends they there. They not go say me that their body rub their friend. He ya olewe bo shen gen. I talk everybody. I get to it before. They not the greet at all again. He down na over. I be 12. But not everybody. I don't see like Lilian. They'll come they drop back, follow them. Thank you, darling. Thank you. I don't see like Lilian. Wait me on who carry handbag, who carry handbag. Who they carry car key, carry car key. I am robber, no go attack you. How you go sleep your ass? Eh? How you want to sleep your ass? When you be say you come for abroad, you dey go somewhere, where your hand not dey touch anything again. Sister carry this one, brother hold car key. You now they make sense follow the line. I shall go away they bury that way no dey. What do you think? Where do you think, Claire? Claire, if I reach Nigeria, they know different. Me, I don't want to show you different. Now me go carry my bag by myself. You two shakara, let's shakara together. Opa mayaki. Eya mi pe must to Samuel. Wo ge won wa. Mo ge pe me. If I see man go the door, woman go the door la gesan. I go use my knee de gworon. Now there I will see you the hungry we barenia e baribo. Now there you go see my side you go full. Wetin full am? The elderly people, the youths, small children. Now small children, see if I pack them, go my house. I go bath them, rub powder for their neck. If I dare children wear, I will wear them. If I not wear them, I will give them money to go back. Nobody say they not get. They're girls. Buy your nika. No, don't proud. When I see me go go. Sometimes get what you will do. I say go dog bye. You see, I don't ever tell you headache they worry me. If headache they worry me, it's an ordinary headache they worry me. Nothing else. Nothing else. If you say at the top, say, oh, I got it. Yes, no place they're not the jealous person. Yeah, they're most jealous. But if they won't kill you, they can even talk your matter. Village where good, they can gossip you, but they can't kill you. Village where good, they can gossip you, gossip your mother, gossip your sister, gossip everyone. They can't kill you. Why? The good thing when you didn't do, if you reach it. Yeah. Nowhere they know the gossip. Like, especially my mother children, they can gossip us. You know why? Only one woman train 9 children. The children come successful. They can't get 1 house, 2 house, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the community. Huh? If now you know go verse. You know verse. If now you tell me the truth. Don't lie, you. You know go verse. The rest go verse now. That's why I see sometimes I like to I like to give away for all of them. Because they go forget when my mama they suffer. I not get breast when my mama papa die. They forget that one say Oko they suffer. You go tell you say they no focus say my mama suffer before if he raise us up. We know some people not go look down on. Now the enjoyment when mama the enjoyment, hey, papa na wish, hey, mama na wish, hey, papa na this, hey, now they go to see now. But we don't care, we don't mind. We still focus on our success. Please, my people, know how to save. Learn how to save. Because we are going somewhere. Look. In a year, you haven't seen anything to provide for me. I know there's a lot of people that will see something to provide for me in ending of the year. Oh, yeah. Like last year. Last year, a lot of people built a house. I showed you. Some people still there, Isha and I when we won't open their house. You understand? You know. It's good to be good. Good evening, Amaka. How you doing, darling? You hear me? Learn how to save, not to spoil. Give, spoil. If you do, they know they see some Oyibo, they will just go do gift for their wife. Happy birthday with car. You just say they're Tifa. They save. They save take by their wife. Happy birthday. Go Nigeria, you see where big men they wish their wife happy birthday. Una when they abroad here. Now they ever appreciate una wife. Like surprise. Una don't do. Even though you not be rich woman or rich man. Have you ever do that? To make your wife wake up, it's inside paradise. Oh, where? Please, let's wake up. Let's wake up. We are coming to that our program. Let's wake up so that we know how to economize. No, but some people they if they see 1,000 tomorrow, you know say I'm get off one. You make you do the answer where it pass. The answer say where that money pass. Because you don't know how to manage yourself. So guys, that is it. I love you too, darling. I love you too. You know, please, let's try to do something. Let's try to save. You know, people don't like where you are talking sense. Saga. Saga is our name. Saga is our name. Saga is our name. Eh? Saga na your name. When may God bless you. Thank you, sweetie. Thank you, Favor. You understand? Cozy, according to Italia. We will get there. Alright? Cozy, Sacon. Oh yeah? Mommy, please. Unblock. Who is that? What did he do? Huh? Mirror. Where? Wait, at the come. Sorry guys, I'm coming. You see? You think people don't listen to me. They listen. They pretend. That day now you see I don't jab all the Benin all the I know they call ourselves presenter. All the Benin talk. You see where I yab them say, well, they're not they shame. They know they promote their culture, their music. Now, if any platform gonna go like I like, they are not playing it. It's good that kind of thing. I'm gonna take and flog them. They won't make you pay them before they play your music. Is that what kind of nonsense is that? But when you have problem, now they say the Benin people you will call, Warigo me Walare wa donate you, a widow program a enemy program a orphanage home but you know you forget to play their music. Unless the one way they use their name they sing. You may even know what is your name? If you don't use their name sing, they cannot play your music. You see this Don Smart now. Don Smart now is everywhere. When they want spoil Don Smart name, I make sure that name. No, be telling my husband they call Kamara Gbuma. No, let the music go viral. Follow. Am I lying? Am I communicating, guys? If you want spoil Don Smart name, play music follow.